Anyway, Jamaican shore fishing. Wow, what the heck happened back here? So either it's the storm or the rain that did this, but that ship is covered, that old wreck. And the water is high tide here, guys. This is so beautiful. What? And the log that I stand on is floating. Not good. All right, guys. Let's see what we can pick up out here today. Jamaican shore fishing. Welcome back to the channel, my peoples. Come on. Let's get this lure out there, guys, and see what we could hook on to today. I had a bad weather this morning, guys. This lure is swimming good. High tide. Lure is giving me a good vibe. Let's run it from down there, guys. See what we can get. Nothing yet, guys. Let's go forward. Nothing yet. I wonder if it's worth me getting wet. Oh, hell yeah. Fishing is always worth getting wet. I just want to get to the edge of here and get a cast this way. Oh shit, look. I got a load of snappers in here, guys. But I don't want to get hitched into the ship. If I should hook onto something, guys, and that's a problem. Few more steps. Hope I don't have no batteries in my pockets. Make sure. Oh, that sun looks good. Let's go this way. I'm gonna work it back this way, guys. There has to be a barrier here someplace. Woo! Long jaw went after it, guys. Snapper went after it right here in front of me. Let's get that down there a little bit further. Something went at it. We're gonna go down on the other side down there, guys, but we're not gonna get too wet up here. High tide, that's good. Love that, because then I'm not so low to the reef. I can work the top of the reef. Ah shit, I think I just got a wind knot, but let's see what's up. Definitely got a wind knot. get on this log, halfway on this log, and get this lure off. The lure is swimming good, guys, don't get me wrong. It's just not drawing me the attention that I need. I guess the size may be a little bit too big, I don't know. Let's give it a shot. Let's see if I can get my gold and black on here real quick. Even though this is giving me a good cast out, but I don't want to leave this area until I try at least that color first. So to know that I've done my utmost in this spot before I've left the spot dry, which I highly doubt that, but I want to get something with a little bit more shininess into it, into water like this gold right here. Just give me a little bit of flicker. Let's get this box closed. Make sure you secure your box, guys. Can't afford for all your lures to fall in the water at the same time. Not good. But it's 4 p.m. If I see that I haven't picked anything up in a while, I'm going to switch up to my jigs and see if I can jig some squids. If they're in this area, because I've never caught any up this side yet before. So let's give it a shot. It's gold and see where it brings us. All right, guys. Making sure fishing. You saw it from afar. All right, good deal. Am I seeing the long jaw's attention like this, guys? I know that he's seen it from afar and they're aiming at it already. So get my rod secured and get out of this bush over this side and go around, because apparently they chop these bushes down, guys. They don't want them over that side, I guess. But we're gonna chop it through here. This was all mangroves and swamps at one time. They built housing back here. Nothing on this side, guys. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so if you're not getting any chases or you haven't seen any action moving towards the lure, run it for 2 or 3 times. You don't see anything, move on. It makes no sense for you to sit there wasting energy, wasting time, and there's no fish in that area of that you're hunting for. So what I do is I just cover a wider area, guys, and I get in there and try to cover as much as a wider spot as I can. Something sees it, they'll hit it. I'm telling you that. Let's go down further. I'm not feeling the grass that's hitting my lure up here, guys. I should be getting a lot better hits up here like this. But we're just working this till nightfall, guys. If I don't pick anything up, so be it. It is what it is. Lots of crabs back here, though. Big crabs, too. Ooh, I see a puffer. Swam off a while ago. Alright, let's run this. Fish on, guys. Look at it. Fish on. Haha. Look at this, guys. Blue runner jack. On the hookup already. Morning, guys. Come here, buddy. Your dinner. Don't think you're going back in. This is not a small fish, guys. This is a blue runner jack. Let me grab him real quick. Oh boy. I don't want to get hooked. Yep, there you go. He's off my hook. That's right, guys. This is what's up. Let me get this rod down, guys. Get you a good look at this guy. Oh man, he's gonna be all jumpy and stuff. Here you go, guys. Blue runner jack. Nice dinner sized fish, guys. Good pound. Yeah, decent fish. Good hitting, guys. Definitely Jamaican shore fishing, guys. That's what's up. Yeah, man. So hitting them on the gold and green lure today, guys. Let's go back at it again. Let's see what's up. He chased it in, so apparently they're out there, and he chased it all the way in, guys, and hit it as soon as he got in. All right. I got hit twice there, guys. You seen that? They're hitting it, guys. Holy shit. Woo-wee. Hi, Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Thank you for joining us, guys. Thank you for joining the channel. Big up yourselves. You know what I'm saying? Please hit that like, share, and subscribe button, guys. Definitely. Smash that button for me, guys. And please watch the ads, guys. Trust me. Mosquitoes are back here and they're coming out already, guys. I definitely don't want to be here. I don't have my off with me or none of that. Alright, guys. Thank you for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are outside.